Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Nissan Armada SL. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, and rear privacy glass. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.